Hey everybody, just a quick video. I made this little bracket out of metal that I had just laying around. I was looking for like a third hand for holding components or holding parts. Just wondering what y'all think I could do better. It's got two little adjustments where I can adjust it any way that I need to on this side. Can adjust it left to right. Got bolts that I can, make it tight to hold it in place. Bolts down to my transmission jack, so I don't have to worry about it falling anywhere. Just looking for some suggestions before I paint it and get it all ready. What y'all think I could do better with it? Thanks. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.